Hiya lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping in for yet another makeup tutorial with me. I recently just visited my local MAC Cosmetics store at MAC Disney Springs, and they were having a special event class and it was focused for bridal makeup. I thought it would be fun though if I share with you some of the techniques and some of the new little products that I picked up as well at the event. I thought it would be nice if I just recreated a soft glam bridal look and kind of let you see my take on what I learned from the class. I've already done my face with my foundation, concealer, powder, and my brows. That's one less step that isn't really specific to this look that I just wanted to get out of the way. And here is the completed look. So it's a very soft, girly feel that I wanted to give you. Imagine that. But I spruced it up just a little bit as far as making the eye a little bit more intense than what I would do on like a regular basis. I feel like, especially if you have like blue eyes, I feel like pinks and those like wine and burgundy hues just look so beautiful for your eyeshadow because I feel like it makes your blue eyes pop more. So the only thing that I did not put on today were some eyelashes, which I know it's crazy, right? Because I love a lash. When you first put on your lash, first of all, let the glue get tacky because that way it just sits right on your lid and it adheres so much faster, so much easier. You're not sitting there holding it on forever, waiting for the glue to dry. So wait until the glue gets tacky. Secondly, take your thumbs and like look down and just hold your lashes up. You want those babies batting and standing up. I promise you it'll make a difference rather than just sticking the lash on there so they poke straight out. Just as they dry, push them up and it's gonna be like, boom! Ultimately, you don't wanna have like super crazy makeup on your wedding day to look back years later and be like, what was I thinking? If you enjoyed this bridal makeup tutorial, I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe to the channel, hit the bell that's down below because that's going to keep you notified every single time I upload a video. If you're interested in seeing more, check those videos out right there on the side. That'll give you some more style, beauty, and fitness until I see you later, lovelies. Bye!